Hi my love, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. New year, new me. I am here with this gorgeous hair from Love Me Hair. We have a full pre-done PartingMax unit on my head right now. This is literally like a 2-minute install if you want it to be. I did also include a wear test. This is something that I thought could be kind of fun just to show you what the hair looks like in different lighting. And just so that you get a better idea of what the wig really looks like instead of just seeing it in the studio how it is now. We're gonna see it in natural lighting, you're gonna see it throughout the day. I'll leave all the details in the description down below along with all the specs on this unit and how you can save some money on your purchase. So let's get into this video. So this is the Hair PartingMax Glueless wig with blonde highlights. It's in a body wave texture and this is a 20-inch unit. I actually usually go for longer, but the 20 inches is cute. And this is obviously like pre-done, pre-everything. It is time to do this hair. It literally is a mess. This is my natural hair and I just like wearing wigs because I want to switch it up. Like I often don't know what the hell to do with my natural hair. I would never really dye my hair this color even though I love it, so this is going to be fun. I'm actually going to start with spraying this wig with a little bit of lace tint. I have the color light warm brown and I'm just going to do a really light coat. This is pre-cut lace, so I'll literally won't have to do anything but this. I'm hoping that wasn't too much. I just did a light coat. Wig cap is on, and when my hair is straight, I can literally just throw my hair in it. It's not a big deal. So it should be really nice and flat once I get this wig on. This color, oh my gosh. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to install this. I really like this like blonde kind of money piece at the front. So let's see how she looks on. Ooh, just attaching my combs at the sides. One thing about my Love Me units is I find that they are snug, like, which is nice. I want them to fit really nicely. I love this money piece. That is cute. She's looking cute straight out the box, honestly. Every other time I've done my wig, I have my braids underneath, and this time because my hair is straight, I feel like this fits so much better. I really need to learn how to cornrow my hair because I feel like my wigs would slay so much more, but I'm loving this. Let's brush her out just so we can see how these curls look. Let me just get in closer and show you guys what the part looks like. The knots are bleached, not perfectly bleached, but I feel like they're sufficient enough for me to be comfortable with. Really, really cute. And this is, of course, a closure wig, my favorite, so I can just leave out a little bit of this hair at the side for a natural look. These are my favorite styles of wigs because it's no ear tabs, no hassle. I'm just going in with a few spritzes of this mousse. I really honestly don't need it, but I do feel like my wigs look better when I do this. Should I change it to a middle part? They always give a side part, but I'm more of a middle part girl. Like if I hot comb this down, what do we think? I know there's like a very subtle difference between this side and this side, but I just like this side way better. This is me recurling it with the wand curler, and I like to make sure that I curl it away from my face. I love getting wigs that are colored because I don't really ever want to dye my natural hair. I'm just way too indecisive. So having this wig with like the blonde highlights is so pretty, and I love that I can just like wear this when I feel like it, you know? I actually have to take some photos later tonight for this brand that I'm working with, so I think the photos are gonna turn out really good because a new hairstyle, why not? Yeah, that is so cute. I feel like that's way, way better. I don't know, I always feel like I need to recurl my units when I get them. That's something that I do with pretty much all of my pre-done units, just to make them exactly how I would like to have my hair curled, even though I know this like probably looks the same. It's different. It's different to me, and it also makes the curls a little bit longer. Because sometimes when you get these pre-done units, you'll look at them and you'll be like, is this the length that I ordered? But it's actually just because the curl is so bouncy. I thought it would be kind of fun to do a wear test for the wig today. So I'm going to wear this throughout the day. It's already 3 o'clock, so I'm going to keep checking in as the day goes on, and I'll let you guys know how it's looking, how it's wearing. Okay, it's time for my first check-in of the day. It's been like 2 hours. I'm still trying to get used to this hair color, but I do think it looks really, really pretty. And yeah, no movement so far. I feel like it still looks really natural. The hairline looks pretty good. You can see a couple knots, but nothing I'm concerned about. So far so good. I'm back with my second update on the wear test. I'm actually about to cook a little bit. It feels really comfortable actually. I felt like the back was pushing on like this part, so I just like pushed it up a little and now it feels so comfy. I feel like I've been pulling my wigs down so much that like I really don't need to be doing all that, but I think I'm getting used to this hair color.
Hold on, wait 1 minute. Yeah, hold on, wait.
I'm back and the wig is clearly now off, but my favorite thing about these wigs is I literally have her over here on my mannequin head so that tomorrow I can just put her back on and she's ready to go. Like, I don't have to worry about sleeping in the wig. I really find sleeping in wigs uncomfortable. So I just threw my hair up. Edges are preserved. Nothing is flaky or falling off. My hair underneath is healthy, and yeah, I love my little glueless wigs. I took a couple TikToks that I'll include because the hair looked so good in those TikToks, but I do think I need to just put like a little bit darker of lace tint on my wig. That's like my only thing, but that's my own bad. So I really like this hair. I like the color, I like the style, and I feel like it's affordable. I don't know. I think LUVME hair is good hair. I've tried it a lot of different times. This wasn't my favorite unit just for like the color, but overall I think it's very beautiful. So let's get back into the video. Okay, y'all, we're back from the wear test, and yeah, I feel like the hair held up really well. This is a 20-inch pre-done unit, as you saw. It literally came ready to go, so I really didn't have to do much to it, but I did just do a little sprucing up so that it was exactly how I wanted it to be. As far as shedding goes, this is all that came out of my hairbrush. So there is a little bit of hair in here, but I feel like that is pretty normal for a new wig. Let me know what you think of this color on me. I am so happy that I have a wig with the blonde highlights because I really missed this. I used to have one a few years ago and it was dusted. I had to throw it away. So we're back, baby, with some blonde. New year, new me. If you want to shop from LUVME Hair, make sure you use my code and the links in the description bar down below because you can save hundreds of dollars on your purchase. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you to LUVME Hair for partnering with me on today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want me to try other colors. What else? What other companies have you been like curious about that I should try on the market? I'm ready to dig into more hair because I feel like we need to be really honest. There are so many fake reviews on the internet. I hope you guys enjoy my honesty, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Single on the body, take on the body,